Dear students, let us now understand the structure of embryo sac. In previous video, we have discussed this in brief, right? Embryo sac, if we are talking about, इसको आप female gametophyte भी बोल सकते हो, right? Which is 7 cell, 8 nucleated. ऐसा भी आप बोल सकते हो. Yes or no? Yes. Now, if we are talking about your most common embryo sac, then this embryo sac is known as your polygonum type, which is present in 80% of your angiospermic plants, that is our flowering plant, which is formed by 1 meiotic and 3 mitotic cell division. Yes or no? What is polygonum type of embryo sac? The embryo sac which is formed by 1 meiosis and 3 mitosis cell division. Such embryo sac are called as polygonum type of embryo sac, जो कि 80% plants में common है. Okay, now if we are talking about this embryo sac, which is also called as your female gametophyte, then this embryo sac are covered by a thin membrane which comes from megaspore. Am I clear? So first point, as I have written, this embryo sac location कहाँ पे है? Of course micropylar end. Okay, अगर आपसे कोई पूछे what is the location of embryo sac, your answer will be micropylar end, and at this end they are covered by thin membrane comes from your megaspore wall. Simple as that. जो functional megaspore था ना, जिसने meiosis करा था, we are talking about that megaspore. Am I clear? Okay. Now, if we are focusing on your embryo sac, then it have mainly 3 parts. The cells which are located at micropylar end, one which is located at center, and one which are located at chalazal end. अच्छे से पता है. Those we are located at chalazal end are antipodals. Those who are located at micropylar end are egg apparatus, and the cell which is located at center is your central cell. Yes or no? पता है. Now let us discuss this one by one. If we are talking about your micropylar end, है ना, तो micropylar end पे बेटा क्या होता है? Egg apparatus. अब आपको अच्छे से पता है, if we are talking about egg apparatus, तो centrally there will be presence of egg cell, right? And उसके आजू बाजू जो 2 cells होते हैं, one this and second this. Am I clear? These two are called as your synergids. ये 2 cells को क्या बोला जाता है? Synergids बोला जाता है. So what I have written? Egg apparatus. How it looks? It looks pyriform. Okay, pyriform in outline. Pyriform का मतलब होता है pear shape. कैसा दिखेगा वो? It looks like a pear shape. Am I clear? Okay. Now it is triangular in fashion. Okay, outline उसकी कैसी दिखती है? Pyriform, that is pear shape, and it is triangular in fashion. Now if we are talking about these 3 cells, that is 1 egg and 2 synergids, then this have a common wall. As you can see over here, they have a common wall, conspicus. Conspicus का मतलब होता है visible. They have visible common wall towards micropyle, right? Whereas at chalazal end, these cells are separate. ये cells कैसे होते हैं? Separate होते हैं. Whereas at micropylar end, 3 cells, they look one. They shares a common wall, right? But at the chalazal end, they separate. They are going to separate. Am I clear? Okay. Now, if you are talking about this egg apparatus, तो जो middle cells है, इसको आप बोलो egg और oosphere pair. ये मैंने diagram draw करा है. This egg have 2 things. Number 1 is nucleus, haploid or diploid. Haploid, and one is vacuole. If we are talking about the nucleus, then nucleus is located towards chalazal end. Whereas we are having your vacuole. इसको आप बोलो central vacuole or it is also called as your micropylar vacuole. Simple as that. Okay. So आपका जो egg है, it have nucleus towards chalaza and vacuole at micropyle, or you can say it as at central region. Am I clear? Okay. Now if we are talking about two other cells जो उसके आजू बाजू है, these cells are called as your synergids. उसका दूसरा नाम, they are also called as your cooperative cells, they are also called as your help cells. Okay, so once again, synergid cell, cooperative cell, or you can say it as your help cell. Am I clear? Okay. Now if we are talking about this synergid cells, आपको अच्छे से पता है, it have filiform apparatus at micropylar end. Okay, micropylar end पे क्या होता है, filiform apparatus होता है. Filiform apparatus like this, yes or no? You can see these are the finger-like projections. All right, these are the finger-like projections of wall into its cytoplasm. Into its cytoplasm. तो ये apparatus को बोला जाता है filiform apparatus. Apart from this, it have lateral hook. It is having chalazal vacuole and your central vacuole. Am I clear? So ये जो सारी चीजें we have talked about your synergids. Now, if we are talking about this synergids, then we are having two cells, right? Out of this two cell, one is going to degenerate. One is going to degenerate. कब ये degenerate होगा? Once your pollen tube enters embryo sac. Once your pollen tube carrying two male gametes enters your embryo sac, one gets degenerate. What about the other? Second also degenerates in a very short duration once it receives all content of pollen tube. Once it has received all content of pollen tube. So have a look what I have written. One synergid degenerates at the time of pollen tube entry into embryo sac. जैसे ही pollen tube embryo sac में enter करेगी, एक cell degenerate होगा. Okay, what about the other? Second degenerates shortly after embryo sac have received pollen tube discharge. Pollen tube discharge in the sense what we are talking about? We are talking about two male gametes. Am I clear? So this is about your second synergid. And yes, all these three cells, your egg apparatus and your two synergids, communicate with each other as well as with central cell by means of a cytoplasmic connection, which is called as your plasmodesmata. Which is called as your plasmodesmata. Simple as that. Okay. तो बच्चा ये हमने डिस्कस करा the cells at micropylar end. Now we are going to focusing on cells at chalazal end, जिसको आप क्या बोलो, antipodal cell. इसका वैसे कुछ काम नहीं है. They are going to degenerate very soon. Okay, so they are going to degenerate soon, or else कुछ काम करना हो तो क्या करेगा? It takes right nutrition from nuclear cell. So what I have written, it takes part in absorbing nourishment from nuclear cell. Simple as that. And जो बीच में cell होता है, that is called as your central cell, right? The largest cell of your embryo sac or female gametophyte कौन है आपका? Central cell. It is highly vacuolated. उसमें vacuole ज्यादा होता है. Very much rich in food reserve and Golgi body. Okay, now look over here. This is your central cell having two polar nuclei. This polar nuclei are haploid. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So this nuclei soon fuses to form diploid cell, right? Diploid nucleus. जिसको आप बोलो secondary nucleus, फ्यूजन न्यूक्लियस और डेफिनेटिव न्यूक्लियस. ओके, तो ये नए नाम है आपके लिए, फ्यूजन न्यूक्लियस और डेफिनेटिव न्यूक्लियस. ओके, सो आई होप इन दिस वीडियो यू पीपल आर वेरी मच क्लियर विथ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर एम्ब्रियो sac. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.